Hey everyone, welcome to No Grill Just Pleasure. So today we are going to make street style egg roll, but the good thing and the special thing about this is that we are not going to use any maida, no refined flour in this, and it's going to be very tasty. There is not going to be any compromise with the taste. So for that, take 2 tablespoons of oil. This is ginger garlic paste. This is homemade fresh paste, not using any packaged things. When it's golden brown, add some sliced onion into it. This brings really good taste. That's ginger garlic paste and then some sliced cabbages. Cabbage is in the season, so cabbage recipes are gonna be here a lot. Now you have to do this on very high flame because we don't. The aim here is to just give some crust, some brownness on the outer crust. We don't want to uh, completely cook this thing, and do not add salt in the beginning, otherwise it will release the water and they will lose their crunch. Now a little bit of salt here, and then we're gonna stir fry a little here on high flame. We're going to add only little salt in this in the beginning, because later on we're going to use a lot of sauces in it. Add some chili flakes. Now our stuffing is ready, so take a non-stick pan or a normal pan if you have tawa, iron griddle or anything. Then make normal rotis, so I'm using already made roti. You can make a fresh roti as well, and apply like very little oil on inside. Turn it over, apply the oil on the other side as well. Bake for like 1-2 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds from both sides. Then take a egg, break it open over the chapati or paratha, whatever you want to call it right now, and then add salt in it. This is how they do it on the street. When you ask for egg rolls, they're going to do exactly the same process for making it. And then mix over the roti. Don't worry about spilling of egg white or egg yellow on the side, because this is how you're gonna flip it and it's gonna get covered by the roti. And then first let it cook before don't move your roti in the center in the beginning. If it's on the side like mine, it's gonna take like 1 minute or 1.5 minute. Anything that's on the side, just lift the this egg bread now and put it under to give it a clean round shape. Whole thing was about to go down. So it's cooked, but particularly I prefer a little more cooked, so I'm gonna cook a little more. It's done. This is exactly what I wanted. So now we're going to do the arranging. That cabbage onion thing that we made, then some lemon juice, which is very important for the taste, some ketchup, use hot ketchup here, some green chutney. So its recipe also I'm going to add in description, so no big deal, it's very easy to make. Some mayonnaise, which is totally optional, you can skip it. As you must have noticed, this recipe has used very little oil in it, and you can skip that much oil, because I made another roll with no oil in it and it was perfect. So if you are somebody who doesn't want any oil, not a single drop of oil, then you can skip it, because there will be good fats in the egg and mayonnaise as well, and then use a butter paper to wrap this thing up, and you can eat it in your Sunday brunch and any evening. It's lovely, it's very super delicious. Trust me, when I ate it, I didn't believe that I have recreated the same taste that we get from the outside egg roll. This is like really tasty. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon as well, so that you get all the notifications whenever we post a video. And if you have any suggestions or anything that you want to know, you can always reach out to me through comments down below. Enjoy this egg roll and live your life happy, healthy, and guilt free. Thanks for watching. Everything is perfect in this. See you in the next video.